My manager literally told me last week he thinks I have CEO potential, and I appreciate it, but I also kind of just didn't believe him. I smiled and I said thanks, but inside I was just thinking if he knew what I was actually like, he might think differently. How do you take that stuff on board when it doesn't seem to land internally? I'll tell you this as a friend, who cares, okay? Forget about letting it land. Forget about your validation being, I'm telling you because I care, forget about your validation being driven by what your manager says or doesn't say, or what anyone says or doesn't say. Bro, you must find the CEO mindset, or the whatever your manager said about you, you must find that within yourself. The biggest secret to life is authenticity. Man, it's not what other people say about you or don't say about you. It's what you believe about yourself. So my encouragement to you, my bro, is to think within yourself. Do you actually, number one, want to be at the company? Because think about what a CEO of a company is like. Presumably, the CEO wants to be at the company. He or she wants to make the company grow. They care about money because they don't have a charge on money. They understand that the money is the fuel to pay people's salaries and put food on people's tables, and keep innovating and keep inspiring and keep serving the customers. So genuinely, my invitation to you, my bro, is think about what it actually takes to be a CEO, number one, and then ask yourself, do you actually care? Number two, find within yourself what you actually do genuinely care about and who you genuinely actually want to be. And there is no judgment on that. There's no judgment on that, because if the truth is you just want to live in the jungle and swing on ropes like Tarzan, which, probably is part of me, that's probably why I said it. If the truth is, man, you want to live on a tropical island and just be happy, bro, spend more time doing that and being your authentic self and getting to know who your authentic self is. Because then you don't need other people's compliments or whatever they say. Because the other thing is, people are also going to say negative things about you. So if you are influenced by people's positive things that they're going to say about you, you're also going to be influenced by the negative things they say about you. And either way, you won't be indestructible. You will be susceptible to noise of the outside, and then you can never win in the long term if that's the case. I hope that's fair, right? You must be invincible from within, and the true way, in my findings, to be indestructible and invincible from within is to be driven by something that is spiritual, that is meaningful, that is from love, that is from the heart, that it doesn't matter if all your limbs got blown off, you would keep going because that's how much it means to you. That is what it takes to be a CEO and a winner and a leader at the highest levels. So I really hope that this answer gave you some level of insight, my bro. I would encourage you to forget about what your manager says and find what is authentic and real and meaningful to you. Do that work and then lead from that place. Thanks again for the question, man. Love you, man. It was a very sweet question.